Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're going to explore two time words that confuse many learners, before and ago.
These two words both talk about the past, but they're used very differently.
Many learners mix them up all the time.
But after this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one.
If you're a beginner or intermediate learner, this episode is perfect for you.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words mean.
Both before and ago talk about the past, about time that has already happened.
But they tell us about the past in different ways.
Before is about something happening earlier than another time or event.
Ago is about how much time has passed from now back to that past time.
That's the key difference.
Let's start with ago.
What does ago mean?
Ago tells you how far back in the past something happened from now.
It measures the distance from the present moment back to the past.
Think of ago as counting backwards from right now.
I ate lunch 2 hours ago, 2 hours before now.
She moved here 5 years ago, 5 years before now.
Ago always counts from the present moment.
The structure is very specific.
Structure, time period plus ago.
2 hours ago, 3 days ago, 5 years ago, 10 minutes ago.
Always number/time plus ago.
Ago always comes after the time period.
Never before. Ago 2 hours is wrong.
Always 2 hours ago. This is important.
What tense do we use with ago?
Ago is used with the past simple tense.
I saw him 2 days ago. Past simple, saw.
She called me 5 minutes ago. Past simple, called.
I arrived 3 hours ago. Past simple, arrived.
Always past simple with ago, never present perfect.
Wrong. I have seen him 2 days ago. Correct. I saw him 2 days ago.
This is a very common mistake.
Let's see more examples with ago.
I started learning English 3 years ago.
He left the office an hour ago.
We met 10 minutes ago.
She graduated 2 months ago.
They got married 6 years ago.
All counting back from now to that moment.
Now let's talk about before.
What does before mean?
Before means earlier than a specific time or event.
It's about something happening before another thing, not necessarily before now.
Before compares two times or events.
I ate before the meeting started, not necessarily measuring from now.
She arrived before me, earlier than my arrival.
Before doesn't count from now, it compares with another time.
This is the big difference from ago.
Before can be used in different ways.
Way 1. Before plus specific time.
I'll finish before 5 p.m., earlier than 5 p.m.
She left before noon, earlier than noon.
They arrived before dinner, earlier than dinner time.
Way 2. Before plus event or action.
I studied before the exam happened.
She called before coming, before she came.
Think before you speak, before speaking.
Way 3. Before plus time period talking about the past.
I had seen him before yesterday, earlier than yesterday.
She had worked there before 2020, earlier than 2020.
This often uses past perfect tense.
Way 4. Before by itself meaning in the past or previously.
I've been here before, at some earlier time in my life.
Have we met before? At some earlier time?
I told you before, at an earlier time.
Before by itself means at an earlier time.
What tense do we use with before?
Before can be used with many tenses.
Present. I eat breakfast before work. Habit.
Past simple. I ate before the meeting. Simple past event.
Past perfect. I had eaten before the meeting started. Earlier past.
Future. I will call before I come. Future.
Before is much more flexible than ago.
Now, let's compare them directly.
This is the best way to see the difference.
Situation. You ate lunch at 12 p.m. Now it's 2 p.m.
With ago, I ate lunch 2 hours ago, counting from now back.
With before, I ate lunch before the meeting, earlier than the meeting, comparing two events.
Same lunch, different ways to talk about it.
Another example. She arrived 3 hours ago, from now counting back.
She arrived before me, earlier than my arrival.
Ago measures from now, before compares times.
One more. They left 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes before now.
They left before the rain started, earlier than the rain, two events.
Do you see the pattern?
Ago equals measuring from present. Before equals comparing times.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, when did you start working here?
I started 3 years ago. What about you?
I began 2 months ago. Had you worked in this field before?
Yes, I worked at another company before this job.
Interesting. Did you meet the boss before you started?
Yes, I met her 1 week before my first day.
How long ago did you meet her?
Let me think. About 3 years and 1 week ago.
And when do you usually arrive? Before or after 9 a.m.?
I always arrive before 9 a.m. I like to prepare before the day starts.
I see. I arrived early today, too. I got here an hour ago.
Great! I've been here since 2 hours ago.
Did you notice the differences?
3 years ago. 2 months ago. Measuring from now.
Worked before this job, before you started, before my first day, comparing two times or events.
3 years and 1 week ago. Specific measurement from now.
Before 9 a.m. or before the day starts, comparing times.
An hour ago. 2 hours ago. Counting from present.
Perfect usage.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Saying ago before the time period.
Wrong. Ago 3 years I moved here. Correct. 3 years ago I moved here.
Ago always comes after the time.
Mistake 2. Using ago with present perfect tense.
Wrong. I have seen him 2 days ago. Correct. I saw him 2 days ago.
Ago only works with past simple.
Mistake 3. Using before when you mean ago.
Wrong. I ate 2 hours before. This means before something. What?
Correct. I ate 2 hours ago. Measuring from now.
Or, I ate before the meeting, before specific event.
Mistake 4. Using ago without a time period.
Wrong. I saw him ago. Correct. I saw him before, or I saw him 2 days ago.
Ago needs a time period. Before can stand alone.
How to choose correctly.
Test 1. Are you counting from now?
If yes, use ago. I arrived 5 minutes ago.
If no, use before. I arrived before you.
If you have a number or time period, use ago with past simple.
3 days ago, I saw her.
If you are comparing 2 events or times, use before. I ate before the movie started.
If you can answer when with a specific time, when did you eat? 2 hours ago. Specific measurement.
When did you eat? Before the meeting, relative to another event.
These tests help you choose.
More practice examples. Fill in the blank with before or ago.
I graduated 3 years, counting from now? Yes, ago.
I graduated before getting married. Comparing events? Yes, before.
She called 10 minutes, counting from now? Yes, ago.
She called before she came. Comparing events? Yes, before.
Have you been here at an earlier time? Yes, before.
I was here 2 weeks, counting from now? Yes, ago.
Getting easier?
Real life situations.
Talking about when something happened.
I learned to drive 15 years ago, from now.
I learned to drive before I went to college, before that event.
Talking about work experience.
I started this job 6 months ago, from now.
I had another job before this one, earlier job.
Talking about daily schedule.
I woke up 3 hours ago, from now.
I always exercise before breakfast, before eating.
Talking about memories.
We met 20 years ago, from now.
I had never been there before, at an earlier time.
Both work in every situation.
Understanding long ago and long before.
Long ago means a long time in the past, from now.
Long ago, people lived differently, many years before now.
Long before means much earlier than another past time.
I knew this long before you told me, much earlier than when you told me.
Same words, different structures.
Common time expressions.
With ago, a minute ago, an hour ago, a day ago, a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, a long time ago.
With before, before now, before then, before that, just before, right before, long before, the day before, the year before.
Learn these common phrases.
Before in other contexts.
Before also means in front of,
Stand before the class, in front of.
but for time, before means earlier than.
Context tells you which meaning.
Position in sentences.
Ago usually comes at the end of a sentence.
I saw her 2 days ago, at the end.
It can start, but it's less common. 2 days ago, I saw her.
Before is more flexible.
Before the meeting, I studied. At the beginning.
I studied before the meeting, at the end.
I've been here before. At the end.
Both positions are common with before.
Quick memory trick.
Ago has an O. Think oh long from now. It's about the distance from now.
Before has for. Think before another time. It's comparing times.
Or remember, ago equals a number going back from now.
Use whatever helps you.
Timeline visualization.
Imagine a timeline. Past, then the event, then 3 hours, then now.
3 hours ago points from now back to the event.
Imagine past, event 1, event 2, now.
Event 1 happened before event 2 compares the two events.
Visual thinking helps.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 5 sentences about your past using ago.
Day 2, write 5 sentences about your daily routine using before.
Day 3. Tell your life story using ago for specific dates.
Day 4, describe what you did yesterday using before to show order.
Day 5. Practice converting I ate 2 hours ago versus I ate before the meeting.
Day 6, notice ago and before when reading or listening to English.
Day 7. Write about a memorable event using both words.
By week's end, this will be automatic.
More examples to build complete mastery.
Let's explore different time contexts.
Talking about recent events.
I just ate 5 minutes ago. Very recent from now.
I ate just before you arrived, right before your arrival.
He called a moment ago. From now, very recent.
He called right before the meeting, immediately before.
Recent events work with both.
Talking about distant past.
Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. From now, way back.
Dinosaurs lived before humans existed, earlier than humans.
I visited Europe 10 years ago. From now.
I had never traveled before that trip, earlier than that trip.
Distant past works with both, too.
Understanding sequence of events.
If telling a story in order, before is perfect.
I woke up, then I ate breakfast, then I left. I ate before I left.
Showing the order of events.
But if giving specific times, I woke up 3 hours ago, I ate 2 hours ago, I left 1 hour ago.
Measuring each event from now.
Different purposes, different words.
Talking about repeated actions.
I've done this many times before, at earlier times in life.
The last time was 3 weeks ago. Specific measurement from now.
Before for general past experience, ago for specific time.
Building confidence with more practice.
Converting sentences.
I graduated 5 years ago to I graduated before starting this job. Need another event.
I arrived before noon to I arrived 2 hours ago. Need to count from now.
Practice both directions.
Understanding the day, week, year before.
The day before equals the previous day.
I saw him on Monday. The day before I had called him. Sunday.
A year ago equals exactly 1 year from now.
The year before is the year before another past year.
Subtle but important difference.
More real-world applications.
At the doctor, when did pain start? 2 days ago or before I exercised.
Job interview. When did you work there? 5 years ago or before my current job.
Meeting someone. Have we met before? Or we met 3 months ago.
Every context uses both words.
Understanding natural speech.
In conversation, ago is very direct.
When? 2 hours ago. Simple answer.
Before often needs more context.
When? Before lunch. Need to know when lunch is.
Both have natural uses.
Common questions and answers.
Question. When did you arrive? Answer. 10 minutes ago. Or before the meeting.
Question. Have you eaten? Answer. Yes, an hour ago. Or yes, before I came.
Question. When did you last see him? Answer. 2 days ago. Or the day before yesterday.
Question. Have you done this before? Answer. Yes, many times. Or yes, 3 years ago.
Practice answering both ways.
Quick review.
Ago equals measures time from now backwards.
Structure. Time period plus ago. Always past simple.
Before equals earlier than another time or event.
Can be used with many tenses. Very flexible.
Ago counts from present, before compares.
Ago needs a time period. Before can stand alone.
Ago always at the end of time phrase, before is flexible.
Test. Counting from now. Use ago. Comparing, use before.
You now understand clearly.
This confuses many learners, but you've got it.
The key is simple. Ago counts from now, before compares times.
With practice, it becomes natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up. Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more beginner-friendly lessons.
Leave a comment. I started learning English blank ago. Fill in the blank.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.